Hey guys, NielVTEC here. Today I'll be doing some minor modifications on my new Honda Civic Coupe. I'll be only doing some small details just to make it cooler and unique in my own way, and yeah, it should be fun. So the first thing I'll be showing you guys is the new tint that I got on my windows. So if you guys remember correctly, the back ones were already tinted, so I decided to go darker in the front ones. This may or may not be legal. So yeah, I also added a new tint strip in the front windshield just to prevent the sun from getting in my eyes. And yeah, I like tinting my cars because it makes it a lot cooler and it prevents me from getting burnt during the summer. So today I'll be modifying the car from the interior to begin with. So the first thing I want to talk about is the reverse camera that I've installed myself. So as you can see, and I can click this button right here whenever I want to open it, and I think it's pretty cool technology just because it makes my reverse a lot easier, and I can kind of just press this whenever I want to see someone behind me, and yeah, I can see them perfectly better compared to my windshield mirror. So I've already gotten this installed in the previous video, but I didn't show you guys because it wasn't working perfectly fine, because I may or may not have pressure washed the camera when I was cleaning my car. But the good news is the company was nice enough to send me another camera to replace it with, so now it's working completely fine, and I think it's a great addition to the car just because it makes my life a lot easier. So the first thing I'll be modifying today is my shifter knob. So if you look at here, it says there's 6 gears when this car only has 5 gears, so I don't really like this shifter. I think they go on a Civic SI, but correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not really sure, and I just don't like the feeling of them. So yeah, I got myself one that I bought from eBay for like $20, so I think it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, let's begin. So yeah, that took a lot of muscle power and made me sweat. But I feel like I'm gonna be remodifying this just because this adapter right here makes this thing move around, and I just don't like that look and it just feels cheap. So I feel like I'm gonna end up putting the adapter inside so I can just put this, and yeah, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but just try to. So that's pretty much it for the interior of the car. I feel like with these modifications, it already makes the car a lot unique in my own way. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with what we've done today. So now we'll be moving on with the exterior of the car. So the first thing we'll be working on the exterior of the car is something that I forgot to mention on the first video. So when I bought the car, it recently didn't have this cover right here, or whatever you call it, the windshield wiper cover. So I went to the junkyard to get one myself. So yeah, it's a pretty simple modification, or replacement I should say. So yeah, that should prevent the nut there to rust, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, the next thing is the more exciting part, which is installing a window visor on the car. It should make the car look more aggressive and cooler, and it's just gonna add an extra look to the car. We'll just have to see. Yeah, it looks really nice, and it's definitely way more aggressive looking than it did before. It's also cooler, and not only does it change the look of the car, it's also useful during the rain, where the rain won't go inside if I open the windows. So yeah, so for the final part, I'll be adding some stickers, which if you know me as a person, I don't really like stickers on cars, but these specific ones, I find them cool and funny at the same time, and you'll understand once I'm done. So let's get started. So the sticker I added on the passenger side is none other than Squirtle, the asshole one from that one episode in Pokemon. And the idea behind this is if I pass someone on the road, I would look cool and they would be able to see the sticker. So for the other side, I added the Pikachu meme. And I think it's funny because if you know the Pikachu meme, it's pretty much self-explanatory. And the idea behind this is if someone passed me, they would be able to see the shocked Pikachu face. And yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think that these small modifications definitely added a personality on this car, and it definitely looks way cooler than it did before. So yeah, for the future, I'll definitely do more major modifications such as a body kit, adding a coilover and rims. But for now, I feel like this minor modifications is okay for now. And yeah, so for the next video, we'll be working more on the maintenance side, such as replacing a part that I'm looking forward to do and replacing the transmission fluid. Also, I'll be showing you guys the new remote starter I got on this car, which is the T9 Conquistar, which is I'm not sponsored by. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed today's video, leave a like, and if you have any recommendation and questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. That's a wrap, baby.